Hello viewers, still on quadratic equation. We are going to find the quadratic equation whose roots are x1 equal to 3 over 4 and x2 equal to minus 1 over 2, and then 2 x1 equal to 2 and x2 equal to 3. So we are going to do a quick one for this. This is I. So solution. So for our I, we have that x1 equal to 3 over 4, and then x2 equal to minus 1 over 2. And so to solve this, we are going to do this. This one is positive, so you introduce negative. You subtract everything. So you are going to have x. This is the method. You are going to have x minus this value 3 over 4 into x minus, because this one has another minus, so you have minus 1 over 2 equal to 0. So this will give you x minus 3 over 4 into minus times minus is plus, so this will give you x plus 1 over 2, still equated to 0. Now for this other bracket, the left hand side of the bracket, you have to find the LCM. The LCM is 4, and so when you multiply through by the LCM, multiply through by 4, because if you say over 1 here, so for this other first bracket, so you multiply through by 4, so you are going to have, if you multiply through by 4, you are going to have 4x over 1 minus 4 times 3 over 4. We put it in bracket. Into this one we are going to, because the LCM is 2, so we are going to multiply through by 2. So this will be 2 times this x over 1 plus 2 times this 1 over 2. So this will be equal to 0. I don't know if you understand that, but let me repeat it so that you get it clearly. So because we are dealing with fractions, okay, we want to convert it to a linear equation sort of. So the LCM of 1 and 4 in this bracket is 4. So we multiply this and this through by 4. So that's why we have 4 times this x over 1 minus 4 times this 3 over 4. We put it in bracket. Then this one, the LCM of 1 and 2 is 2, so we multiply through by 2. So we have 2 times x all over 1 for this one, plus 2 times 1 all over 2 for this one. So we equate it to 0. This is equal to 0. So 4 times x over 1 will give us 4x here, minus this can cancel out, so this will be 3. We put it in brackets into 2 times x all over 1 is 2x, plus this can cancel out, so this will be 1 equal to 0. So we can decide to expand this bracket. We open this bracket, so the easiest way to do that is to 4 times 4x times 2x will give us 8x squared. 4x again times plus 1 will give us plus 4x, minus 3 times 2x will give us minus 6x, and minus 3 times 1 will give us minus 3. So this will be equal to 0. So we continue our solution. And so 8x squared, so we have 8x squared. This is, we have like terms here, so 4x minus 6x will give us minus 2x, and then we have minus 3 equal to 0. So for the I section, the root, the quadratic equation that has this root is this. So we've gotten the quadratic equation with root of 3 over 4 and minus 1 over 2. So let's solve the I part. And so we have that for the II part, our x1 equal to 2 and our x2 equal to 3. So like we did here, so you are going to have x, this one is positive, you add minus 2 is positive, so minus 2 into, this will be x minus 3. Assuming it was negative x here, so it would have been minus the negative 3. So you open this bracket directly. So x times x is x squared. X times minus 3 is minus 3x. Minus 2 times x is minus 2x. And minus 2 times minus 3 will give you plus 6. So this is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. Okay? So if you work this out, you're going to have x squared minus 3x minus 2x will give you minus 5x, and then we have plus 6 equal to 0. So the quadratic equation with x with the root 2 and 3 is this. So viewers, this is how to solve a quadratic equation, or to find the quadratic equation when the roots are given. So what you note is, like in this case, you had 3 over 4, so you subtract to be x minus 3 over 4. In this case, you had x to be equal to minus 1 over 2. You still subtract x minus, the first minus because of this. So that is how to go about it. Thank you.